Hello everyone, welcome to La Fisica.
Here we start our webinar on your dream way to masters in physics from top institutions.
So you might have heard of IITs, EIFR, NITs and many other central universities.
Have you ever thought of getting into those institutions for your masters? Majority of these institutions are conducting their own exams and some common entrances for taking their students into master courses. So this is a webinar which gives you an idea how you can crack those exams or how you can get into such kind of institutions.
First, we will see what are those main
entrance examinations.
So out of that, the main one is nothing but joint admission test for masters.
Joint admission test for Masters 2021 is organized by IISc Bangalore this time. Majority of the IITs like IIT Madras, IISc Bangalore,
IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi.
Yes, all those IITs are taking their master students through JAM entrance. So coming to JAM 2021, this time IISc Bangalore is organizing, and the applications you can submit through the official website from 10th September to 15th October 2020. Actually, we are going through those dates. So this is very important exam if you are looking for a master's in eminent institutions in India, especially IITs and NITs.
So JAM examination will be conducted online only. So it's a purely computer based test. So JAM exam will be entirely objective type. So there will be three different patterns, namely multiple choice questions, multiple select questions and numerical answer type.
Coming to the first part, it's multiple choice questions. You will be having options and one among the option will be the correct answer for the question. And coming to the multiple select questions, you will be having multiple correct answers in the options and you have to choose all the correct answers to score in that section. And coming to the numerical answer type questions, you have to give your input through a virtual keyboard provided. JAM is conducted for mainly 7 subjects including physics. You can appear for a maximum of 2 tests according to your eligibility. You go through the official website to know more about the eligibility.
So most wondering thing is that the essential qualification needed for appearing in JAM examinations.
You need a maximum of 55% only for appear for those kind of exams. So it might be at least surprising for few of you that a 55% is more than enough for appearing for this exam. And there will be relaxations according to category wise also.
So you don't need to worry about your degree marks. So with proper preparations and planning, you can get into IITs very easily.
Yeah, an average student of maximum marks 55% is more than enough to appear for this kind of examinations.
So coming to fees details, a female and some category people has to pay only 750 rupees and all others has to pay 1500 per paper.
Another important exam is Joint Entrance Screening Test or JEST. The official brochure for JEST 2021 is not yet released, but we are expecting the call for the application around November 2020. The tentative date of examination will be February 2021. A JEST score will be considered for admissions in top rank institution for the courses MSc, Integrated MSc, PhD and MTech. And coming to the mode of examination, it is completely an offline exam till last time and its duration is 3 hours.
So this time we don't know whether they will change over to online. But usually exam will be of 3 parts. So part A consists of 15 multiple choice questions with 3 marks each. Each wrong answer will have -1 marking and part B is having 10 numerical type questions. The marking will be of 3 and there won't be any negative marking.
And coming to part C, there will be 25 multiple choice questions with 1 mark each, which carries a negative 1/3 for each wrong answers. And if it comes to the fee details, you have to pay a maximum of 400 for attending this exam, and even if you have some reservations and if you are a female candidate, you will have to pay only 200. So if you go through these kind of exams, you will feel it's very affordable and you can get high quality educations once you get into these kind of institutes.
So coming to participating institute in just examinations, ISAs like Trivandrum, Pune are participating. Also like Chennai Mathematical Institute, IGCA Kalpagam, Homi Baba Institute, all these are admitting their students on the basis of just examinations. Coming to next.
TIFR. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research is an eminent institute in India which taking students to their master courses. The expected time of TIFR graduate school admission test is around March 2021. Further details you can know about this exam from January onwards and through official website. They are taking admissions to their MSc PhD integrated program, which is a 6-year course through this entrance.
So coming to mode of examination, usually they will conduct as offline examinations with 2 sections.
If coming to section A, there will be 25 multiple choice questions which carries 3 marks each, and there will be a -1 for each wrong answers. And coming to section B, there will be 15 multiple choice questions with 5 marks each, and there is no negative marking for this section.
And the fee details are like male candidate has to pay 900 rupees and female candidates 300 rupees.
Yes.
So coming to next.
Central University's Common Entrance Test, otherwise CUCET, is an important entrance in which majority of the central universities are taking their students for masters. The official brochure for CUCET 2021 is not yet released, but we are expecting the call for the entrance around March 2021.
So more details you can go to their official website. Coming to mode of examinations, the exam usually conduct as 2 hours multiple choice question offline test. So there will be 2 parts. The part A consists of general aptitude questions, which is of 25 MCQ with 1 mark each, and there will be 0.25 negative marking. And coming to second part, which consists of purely physics, contains 75 MCQ questions of 1 mark each.
And you need to pay a -0.25 for each of your wrong answers. And if you talk about the fee details, the general OBC EWS category have to pay rupees of 800, and for the SC ST category you need to pay only 350 rupees. You may feel that majority of these exams are taking a very high fee, but the quality of educations you can get once you get into these institute is very high.
So coming to the participating institute in the CUSET examinations, central universities like Kerala, Karnataka, Jammu are taking their admission through the same examinations.
Around 18 central universities are taking their master students to this examination. So you can feel it's very affordable that you need to attend only one exam and you need to pay fee for the only single exam, and you can participate in the admission process of all these 18 universities, which you can count it's affordable, of course. Apart from the central universities we have discussed, few of the central universities like University of Hyderabad, Pondicherry University, Banaras Hindu University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, those are conducting their own entrance for taking admissions into their master course. But if you're preparing for the exams like JEST or JAM, the syllabus will be more or less the same. So if you are attending for those, you can attend for these exams and you can get into these institute if you miss that chance.
Even these universities have very high quality education.
And they are really top rank institute. Then here comes the questions. Why you need to study in these institutions? Why we are recommending you to study in these institutions?
So we will tell you some of the reasons why you should be a part of all these institutions. So coming to first point, it is nothing but the quality of education. Yes. So the quality of education comes from the quality of teaching.
Yes.
So
you will have an option of attending lectures of eminent personalities, eminent faculties in these institutes.
You might have heard of Professor H.C. Verma,
yes.
Ajay Ghatak, yes. From their textbooks.
Yes.
So from these universities, you will get a chance of getting teach from
Yes.
these faculties.
Yes, I mean you will be really blessed to attend their classes because those are the eminent personalities you might be known in your own field of subjects.
So coming to next point is their infrastructure.
Yes, these kind of institutes and university will have a very good infrastructure which can provide you a world-class education. The important thing is that library facilities. You will be having a very vast libraries in majority of these institutes, which can contribute a lot into your way of learning. Apart, if you compare with the common colleges or local institutes which you might be studying right now in your locality.
As a physics student, it is very important about the lab facilities.
Yes.
All these institutions has very high standard
laboratory facilities, and you will get an idea of research options once you get into these kind of institutes.
Also, the funding also will be very high if you need to do some project. Mainly when you are doing your PhD or further studies, it is very important to get you funded.
Yes.
So in those cases, these institutions has more funding options. So coming to next reason, it's nothing but the campus.
Yes. You will be having a very vibrant campus life once you get into these kind of institutes. There will be better facility for enhancing your sports, extracurricular, etc. in these kind of institutes. And apart from this, you will be studying or you will be meeting people from different parts of the country, sometimes from abroad also.
So think of having friends from different culture and different countries.
Yes.
So that will help you in your development.
Especially your personality development, your viewpoints, everything will be influenced by those kind of people. So cultural exchange is an important thing which you can gain through having a campus life in these kind of institutions.
So the last reason, what all things you will gain when you get certified from these institutions.
Yes.
So the first one is nothing but the value of your certificate. Even though you are possessing a master's degree or a higher education certificate, the certificate from where you get is very important.
Is of course. You can feel the difference once you go for an interview or if you go for some higher job options. You will get recognized among the other participants or other candidates in the same post. Once you go for those kind of interviews, you will feel the difference.
So the next point is higher research options. You will be having a very
once you get into these kind of institutes, you will get an idea at least what is research. Maybe you, as a part of maybe local college, or you may not be know much about what is research, how you get into such kind of research, and what are actually going on physics research. So higher research options, you will get an idea about what are the higher research options if you get into these kind of institutes.
Next is about your placement. Once you have graduated from all these institutions, you will be better placed. So the top companies are always
hiring their candidates from these kind of highly ranked institutes.
Actually, they are eagerly waiting for students to come out from all these universities.
So if you are opting for a job, not for a research, then also you have an option, better option if you are a part of these kind of eminent institutions.
And coming to last point is the contact with eminent personalities.
Yes.
Many of you might not feel the importance of this.
Yes.
But the thing is, when you going for higher studies, the contact will help you a lot.
Yes. In those kind of institutions, there will be seminars, international conferences, and visited lectures from eminent personalities and scientists from different parts of the world sometimes. So you will get a chance to interact with those kind of scientists or highly qualified people in your field. So these contacts can help you out in finding out your future research options, and actually these contacts can help you find out your
next career options.
Yes, of course. Now, many of you will be thinking like whether I can get into these kind of institutes. I mean, you maybe feel like you are incapable to get into these kind of institute because you might think I'm having a very less mark. Maybe you are an average student in your degree, but still you have the equal option. You all have an equal option to get into these kind of institutes.
You have already seen the
Yes. Eligibility criteria.
marks.
Yes.
It's like 55 marks or 60
Is the maximum, yes.
for all these entrances. So the performance at the entrance only decides
Yeah.
whether you will be going to a part of it.
Yes.
So even an average student can
Easily
pass through all these examinations.
Yes.
The best example is ourselves.
Yes.
We studied in local
colleges in our locality actually, but once we come into this kind of universities, we can feel the difference. Like, I mean, the main thing was we were unaware of the things happening in our field of research. It's not because you are incapable, but you will came to know about these kind of options once only part of such great institutions. So the only thing is that it's not about your merit or not about your score. Nothing cost here. It's only about you have to get into these kind of institutions. That is most important.
And for that, the best thing is your hard work.
Yes.
So proper preparation with correct focus and correct planning will make your examinations very
easily. You need not want to study a lot for this. It's like you have to go through these entrance syllabuses and you just follow the syllabus and you stick to the syllabus and you work out more problems, previous questions, model questions. Your practice and proper learning will help you out to clear these exams.
Not only this, like proper resources,
yes.
like which are the materials you need to study,
yes.
which all are the portions you need to prepare, focus for the particular entrances.
Yes. It's all about like you have to change your way of studying because you might be prepared to write a 3 hours exam, a descriptive exam. You might be came across writing essays in your BSc exams, but that is not the way of these kind of entrances. You have to change the way of learning to crack these kind of exams.
The type of questions
is
are
really different. So you have to practice in an application level and you can easily crack. I think you can easily crack if you follow a proper syllabus and you practice proper kind of questions for these kind of entrance.
Yeah. Now, due to this pandemic situation, you might be very late for the preparation to start.
And you might be having limitation to access your resource person, which can help you out in these kind of situations. So in this pandemic situation, actually, you might be having so many limitations to prepare for these exams. And as we already see, so that many of these exams we are approaching almost around January, February, March. So we have to start our preparation at least now onwards. So if you believe that, I mean, I am already out of time, that I can't prepare for these exams, then you don't need to worry. We are here to help you out in this situation.
So we all are from best ranked Indian institutes or universities.
So actually, through this platform, we really wanted to help you out in your way of learning physics and how you can crack these kind of examinations. It's why? Because we felt the difference once part of these kind of institutions. So we decided like such a platform can actually communicate. We can actually communicate with lots of people who are interested in physics, so that you can get a proper guidance to go through these kind of examinations. I mean, we were all average students, but once a proper preparation actually helped us in getting into these kind of institutions. So the way this platform actually will help you out in following your subject in a right way to crack these kind of examinations.
So what we provide, so what all things we are doing. So actually we are conducting a course that will guide you to get into these universities.
Yes. We have already discussed what are the main entrance examinations which you have to crack to get into these kind of institutes. So what we are doing is we'll provide you precise recorded lectures which includes the important syllabus of all this examination. Majority of them follows a similar pattern in the syllabus. So what all are important portions and what is the type of questions? I mean, what kind of practice you need to have to crack these kind of examinations. So we'll give you precise recorded lectures to understand these things.
So next is we provide the precise study materials.
Yes.
Like what all are the portions you need to prepare
Yes.
for all these examinations.
And how to prepare, like
Yeah.
the way of preparations. You can understand once you go through our material, how you need to write the exams. And the other thing is weekly test series. That is really important. We provide you weekly test series which will help you out in practicing these kind of questions. So you don't have to worry in the final stage like how I can crack this kind of exam. So you will be get practiced enough once you part of our course.
And the best thing is you will do it every
Yes,
day.
yes.
So every day we are monitoring your studies
Yes.
by giving worksheet and the solutions.
Yes.
So you will be doing it every day.
Yes.
So coming to next is like doubt clearing sections.
Yes.
Always our team is ready in the other side to clear your doubts
Yes.
with our platforms like WhatsApp groups or Google Classroom. Apart from all this,
Yes.
we will be organizing live
Like
doubt
it.
clearing sections.
Yes.
So you can directly ask questions,
Yes.
doubts, and our faculties will be clearing all your things.
Yes.
So next is like mock and entrance examinations.
Yes. Coming to mock entrance examination, that is really important part because you need to get practice how exactly this exam is conducted. So we'll conduct the mock which with same time duration and same pattern of questions, and you will get enough practice to attend these kind of questions in the provided time. So that kind of practice actually will gives you confidence in the final stage. Like you don't need to worry much once you go for the final exam. You will get enough practice. Actually, I felt enough practice on this kind of examination is more important.
So the 2 or 3 hours of the exam will decide you the result.
Yes.
So you should be very practiced or experienced with writing examinations.
Yes.
And last one is like scheduled live interactions.
Yes.
We will be discussing about the opportunities and career options
Yes.
in these sections.
Yes. So the main thing we want to let you know that you need not to worry that you are not a bright student. Sometimes in your class you may not have a very great mark, but even as an average student, if you have the passion to get into these kind of institutes, and if you need to experience a different campus life, a different life as compared to the local colleges which you are studying right now, you prepare well for these exam with proper way, then you can easily get into these institutes. We assure that.
So what is our course structure? So we included physics lectures, which is very relevant to different master entrance examinations.
Yes.
So this includes like mathematical physics, classical mechanics, electricity and magnetism, thermodynamics and statistical physics, nuclear and atomic physics,
quantum mechanics, analog and digital electronics, solid state physics, optics. You might have already studied all these subjects in your degree, but the way of question coming in entrance is different from what you have written on your semester examinations. So we have chosen the proper syllabus for from these subjects for the entrance, and we are providing questions which is a model for this kind of examinations. So you, even though it's actually you need to prepare in a different way for these kind of examinations.
Some of you may wonder why we are not giving you online classes.
Yes.
So why we choose pre-recorded classes?
Yes.
Actually, we chosen this because of we choose pre-recorded classes on the basis of feedback from our older students.
Yes.
And their difficulties.
Yes. The best part about pre-recorded classes is you can learn at your comfortable time. You might itself understand that you will having a habit of studying sometimes in early morning, sometimes in evening. So it's like person to person, you will have a comfortable time to learn. So we are providing our lectures for a maximum of 48 hours. So you have 2 days with you to learn topic, that concept. You can choose your own time in that 48 hours to learn that particular topic. And this actually will help you if you are already part of some other course, or if you are already a job, or if
you have already taken a break.
Yes, if you have so many personal engagements, you will get interrupted. You can't find a time which matches with the live classes sometimes. So for the benefit of pre-recorders, like, you can choose your comfortable time and you can learn properly.
And next is, like, you don't need to worry about internet connectivity issues.
Yes.
Or other technical issues.
Yes.
So since we are giving it as a pre-recorded class,
yes,
you can choose your enough time to access these videos.
Yes. So these connectivity issues and any technical issues like power interruptions, all those things won't stop you attending these classes, because at your own time you can see all our lectures.
So next is about repeated access to lectures. So this is a unique quality of pre-recorded classes.
Yes.
You can hear it infinite times.
Yes. Within this 48 hours, you can rewind the video, you can pause the video, you can see again and again the video. You have these all options so that you can learn this thing unless you got the concept.
Actually, you can learn at your own pace.
Yes, exactly.
So coming to next point is the quality of video and audio.
Yes. One of the speciality of our classes is we are providing high quality video and audio. So our classes actually will include most of the illustrations, better diagrams to understand the physics. So all those things will give a different experience which can help you understand the concept in a clear way.
Apart from all this, we are conducting live sections.
Yes.
For doubt clearing and other interactions.
Yes.
That will be pre-scheduled according to your own convenience.
Yes, we will be in keep on touch with all of you through our WhatsApp community and through our Google Classroom. So we'll always be in touch with you, and what is your comfortable time, on what thing you need a personal interaction. So we are actually ready for all those your requirements. So it should be a pre-scheduled one, so that you can also be prepared for attending the session and you can clear those sessions. And apart from this, of course, we have already told you will be having access 24/7 through our groups,
WhatsApp group or
and Google Classroom. Apart from this, if you really insist that you need a live interaction, yes, we can arrange that also. Now you might be understand like what is the way of class we are preferring and what is actually La Fisica.
More illustrations and way of teaching
our model classes, etc.
Everything is available on our website, www.lafisica.in.
Yes.
So you can visit, and if you seems it is interesting or useful,
yes,
you can be a part of it.
Yes. We are more than enough glad to have you in our family. So just go through those lectures and find the way, like how we have prepared our classes, and all of you are most welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.